Good day everyone, I'm Jean, and today I'm excited to share with you a drawing I created that represents my biggest dream for the future. Here is my finished drawing. As you can see, it features a professional in uniform surrounded by symbols of work, responsibility, and service, all the things that make up for my dream career. In this drawing, I illustrated myself working as a Jollibee manager soon. This career I want to pursue in the future, maybe. I chose this profession because I've always wanted to be someone who protects and helps others. I feel proud imagining myself keep keeping people, places, and communities safe. I like order, being alert, and doing my duty well. This career lets me make a real difference every day. Keeping people safe give me purpose and fulfillment. It's not just a job to me, it's a way to serve community and our country. And in every detail in this drawing has a meaning. Stars is hope, bright future, and excellence. And also uniform, professionalism, training, and duty. This drawing is a promise to myself to work hard, learn well, and turn the dream into a reality. Okay, thank you for listening and looking at my artwork. This drawing is more than just a picture. It's a goal, my inspiration, and my future. Hope you like it. Thank you.